Welcome to Git Solutions. This is your Lokesh. So in this session, we are going to discuss fifth module, that is the concepts, just-in-time technique and Kaizen casting. So Kaizen casting ಬಗ್ಗೆ already first chapter ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು discussion ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So now in this chapter, we are going to discuss only in just-in-time technique and how it helps to the management to maintain the inventory, to control the inventory. So in this chapter we are going to discuss the various concepts, that is just in time technique, features and methodology in implementation of just in time technique. So these concepts related to just in time. In previous, that is under first chapter, we have already discussed the related concepts, that is related to Kaizen casting, that is procedure for implementation for the Kaizen casting, and also how we are going to evaluate the Kaizen casting and the benefits of Kaizen casting. And we are going to discuss the another concept in this chapter, that is lean cost management, meaning and definition and factors of lean cost management and applications of lean cost management and procedure to implementation and comparison with the traditional management system with the lean cost management and how it will be different or differ from the traditional cost management and modern production management technique used in the lean cost management and the benefits and drawbacks of the lean cost management. Let me discuss one by one. So first one, just in time technique. You know very well the concept, that is what is just in time. A just in time technique is a comprehensive production and inventory management system that purchases or produces materials and parts only as needed and just in time to be used at each stage of the production process. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ just in time technique will give a description about the inventory management, that is inventory management system. ಯಾವ ತರ ಒಂದು inventory management ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ತರ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿನ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ or from its purchase of raw materials until delivery of the product to its customers, then the just-in-time technique will be going to support the inventory to manage and to proper management of inventory. So therefore, this just-in-time technique called as a comprehensive production system or comprehensive production and inventory management system. So that helps in the purchases of the raw materials or producers of the materials or products and parts only as needed and just in time techniques. So when the customer demands, then it will be going to produce as much as possible that is required to produce to satisfy the demand of the customer when they ordered. So thereby it eliminates the wastages and also with the proper time, with the economic time, it will be going to produce the products or parts which is needed. And this just in time technique used at each stage of the production process in the management. So therefore a just in time technique can be applied to all the aspects of the business organization, including purchase, production and delivery. So this just in time technique, so ಈ just in time technique ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗೂ ಇನ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ business organization and delivery of the same to the customers. So purchase ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಈ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ this just in time technique focuses on eliminating the wastages by reducing the inventory and developing the strong supplier relationship. Observe, ಈ just in time technique na follow ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ storage cost is also reduced, and also effectively we are going to produce the products when the customer needs or when the business needs, if in case it is B2B business or business to business. Yes, it is possible to maintain the supplier relationship, that is good relationship with the customers, because supplier also supplies the products when the management or the business will be going to order for some materials, order for some raw materials. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ the relationship between the supplier and the business will be going to increase there. That is healthy relationship. So by this just in time technique also eliminate the wastages by reducing the inventory. So ಯಾವಾಗ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ just in time technique ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ ಆಗ inventory wastages, that is loading and unloading and inventory stock na minimize ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So this will ultimately reduces the storage cost also, because this just in time technique or just in time manufacturing is also called as the Toyota production system, that is TPS, because the car manufacturer Toyota adopted the system in 1970s. So 1970s nalli ee Toyota manufacturing, that is Toyota production system na applicable agutte, andre apply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, because the car manufacturer Toyota adopted the system in 1970s. So 1970s ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ Toyota production system ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. But the major objective of this just in time technique is to eliminate the wastages and reducing the inventory and developing the strong supplier relationship. And the next concept, that is features or objectives and merits of just in time technique. So in case features ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಸಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್, ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಏನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. ಸಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಮಿನಿಮೈಸಸ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ದಿ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ. ಎಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್, ಈ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ, that minimizes the inventory and also increases the efficiency of the production process, because this just in time technique is the inventory management system or inventory management strategy. So strategies na follow ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು definitely it will be going to eliminate the wastages and also it will minimizes the inventory. So when the inventory minimizes in the business organization and when it will be support to the production process of the business organization, then the products and services are delivered to the customers very efficiently. So therefore this inventory management or just in time technique increases the efficiency by minimizing the inventory wastages. How? In the sense through inventory management strategies. So ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿನ ಮಿನಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜೀಸ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಬೈ ಇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಮೈಸಸ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ದಿ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಲಿ we are going to talk about high quality workmanship and no machine breakdowns and reliable suppliers. Yes, of course, we know that this just-in-time technique ultimately increases the supplier relationship, that is positive relationship, because the success of the just-in-time technique production process depends on the high quality workmanship. Yes, just-in-time technique production system ಅಥವಾ just-in-time technique inventory management system ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೈ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ವರ್ಕ್ಮೆನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮೆಷಿನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆದರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್. ಐದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ B2B, ಐದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ B2C. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೈ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ವರ್ಕ್ಮನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಲಯಬಲ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ನ ರಿಲಯಬಲ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟು ಡೆಲಿವರ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್. So it is also one of the feature of the just-in-time technique. So just-in-time technique includes high quality workmanship and no machine breakdowns and reliable suppliers. Idre matra ee just-in-time technique success agodakke sadhya. And third feature or objective, it cut down the inventory cost. Yes, it is acceptable. Because a just-in-time technique cut the inventory cost because the manufacturers do not have to pay the storage cost. ಯಾವಾಗ just-in-time technique ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ some businesses or some customers, then they are going to order or then they are going to produce the product and supply the same to the customers or to the business organization. So this definitely reduces the storage cost. So ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಆಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ನ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ದಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ದಿಸ್ just in time technique cut down the inventory cost, because a manufacturers do not have to pay the storage costs and manufacturers also not left with the unwanted inventory. So sumne production ಮಾಡಿ unwanted inventory ನ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It also eliminate the wastages. So therefore a manufacturer is also not left with the unwanted inventory if order is cancelled. In case order cancel ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ನ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. And next feature of this just-in-time technique, that is, it simplifies the production process. Yes, of course, it is acceptable. Because this just-in-time technique is a comprehensive production and inventory management system. This will be applicable from the purchase or produces the material and parts and up to the delivery of the product. So therefore, this just-in-time technique can be applied to all the aspects of the business organization, including purchase, production and delivery. The major intention of this just-in-time technique, this just-in-time can be used at the each stage of the business organization and for the production process by focusing on eliminating the wastages and reducing the inventory and developing the strong supplier relationship. How this will reduce us and simplifies the production process in the sense, this or just-in-time technique helps the management or the business organization so that it purchases or it produces the material and parts only as needed and just in time to be used. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ಸ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ ಆಗ ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ this just-in-time technique, it produces the parts and materials only as needed. So ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕೋ ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವೇಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ and also unnecessary inventory stocks will going to reduces. So thereby it simplifies the production process. And the next feature, purchase of material, manufacture of sub-assemblers and produces products in small lots. So again, this feature speaks about the purchase of raw materials and manufacturing of sub-assemblers and products in small lots. ನೋಡಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದೇ ಮೆಷಿನರಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಮೆಷಿನರೀಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ helps the business organization in each and every stage, that is in the stage of purchase of raw material, in the stage of manufacturing of material or things, or in the stage of producing the products. So this can be possible under just-in-time technique in small lots. So small lots in the ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಸೈಜಸ್ ಗೆ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಬರ್ಡನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೇಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವೆನ್ we are deviating and dividing the work to the smaller batches or to the small lots, then it helps the business organization to maintain the inventory level and also it eliminates the various defects and also it eliminates the wastages in the production. So this is also one of the feature and objective of the just-in-time technique. So by applying this just-in-time technique in the production process, it helps the organization to purchase the material and manufacturing of sub-assemblies and produces the products in a small lots. And also this just-in-time technique supports quick and inexpensive by eliminating the wastages and by avoiding the unwanted stock maintenance. So therefore the another feature says that maintaining the low level inventory, which means this just-in-time technique support the concept of purchases and producers of material and parts only as needed. So therefore it enables the maintaining of low level inventory. So ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕೋ ಆಗ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿನ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೋ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬೇರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೀಚರ್ ಸೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್. Yes, of course, this just-in-time technique avoids the unnecessary stocks. So therefore, in the above features itself says that it cut down the inventory cost by simplifying the production process, and also it supports the purchase of material, and also it supports the produces the products in a small lots. So therefore it avoids the unnecessary expenses by maintaining the low level inventory. So thereby the
defects are eliminated here by simplifying the production process. And the another feature, suppliers are selected on the basis of their ability to deliver the quality material in a timely manner. Yes, of course, this just-in-time technique applied to all aspects of the business organization. The major objective of this just-in-time technique is to purchase or produce the materials and parts only when they need or only as needed. So therefore, in order to supply the material and parts when they needed, the suppliers is very necessary. So therefore, this just-in-time technique helps the management and the business organization to select the suppliers on the basis of their ability to deliver the qualitative material in a timely basis or in a timely manner. By exposing the problems and bottleneck activities in the production process. Yes, of course, the success of just-in-time technique is also depending on exposes the issues and various problems and bottleneck activities in relation with the production process. Then only just-in-time technique will be going to be an effective. And also, this just-in-time technique uses the Kanban technique. You know very well what is Kanban, because this visualizes, or this Kanban technique visualizes the actual process along with the various stages, along with the work in progress. That is where the work passes. So therefore, a Kanban technique, when it visualizes the both actual work and the stage of the work, this ultimately helpful to the business organization to carry out the task and the events very effectively. So therefore, this just-in-time technique is also called as balanced system of inventory management system, because it can be applied to all the aspects of the business or business organization. And one more feature, it produces only the customer wants. So based on the customer demand, it will be going to produce the product and satisfy their demands. And also, with the preferred quality, it will be going to produce the product and satisfy the customers. And also, it produces with no wastage of labor and material and equipment, because the resources are exactly allocated to produce the product by simplifying the production process. So these are the various features or objectives and materials of the just-in-time technique. It minimizes the inventory cost, and it minimizes the inventory and increase its efficiency and effectiveness. And also, this just-in-time technique includes the high quality workmanship and no machine breakdowns and reliable suppliers, because the success of just-in-time technique is based on high quality workmanship and breakdown, that is no machine breakdowns and reliable suppliers. And when the business organization has a healthy relationship with the suppliers, then definitely it will be helps the business organization to produce the products and satisfy the customers and the demands. And it cut down the inventory cost by simplifying the production process. And also, this just-in-time techniques support the concept of purchase of raw material and manufacturing of sub-assemblies and producing the products in a small lot. And also, it is also called as a quick and inexpensive system, because it maintains the low level of inventory. It avoids the unwanted expenses and unwanted inventory stock by eliminating the wastages. And also, how this just-in-time technique succeeded in the sense, because here the suppliers are selected on the basis of their ability and skill in order to deliver the qualitative material in a timely manner and timely basis to the customers and to satisfy the demand. And also, the success of just-in-time technique, again, it depends on the exposing the various problems and issues and also the bottleneck activities. By identifying the various problems and issues only, the success will be achieved. And also, it uses the Kanban technique. So therefore, it is called as a balanced system. And also, it satisfy the customer wants by producing the preferred quality based on the taste and preferences of the customers and based on the demand. And also it produces the products with no wastage of labor, because exactly the labor hours is allocated to produce the single unit of the product under just-in-time technique, and also for the materials and for the it is effectively utilizing the material and equipments to produce the product and services to satisfy the demand.
So these are the various features and objectives and merits of just-in-time technique. So features and objectives and merits ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಿ, so ಇದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಬರೀರಿ. Okay, so in next classes we are going to discuss the methodology and the techniques used in the implementation of just-in-time technique. So ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸ್ ನ just-in-time technique ನ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, so thanks for watching.